I'm back for another budget video this time. I was not planning on recording this video right now at all, but then I was like, I really want to be able to get my school loan payment in before the end of the year so the interest doesn't build. Now, school loans have been again, which is great, but I'm just like, y'all go ahead and just cancel these student loans because y'all keep putting them on pause, and I just need to be able to actually set up my budget. But anyways, I want to get into that more in a little bit. So what we're doing today is we're going to be doing the cash stuffing for my December Paycheck 1 closeout. I have quite a bit of money that needs to go different places, and I want to get that done before the end of the year. So we're going to go ahead, record today, deposit money into the bank so we can get those payments made. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in just 1 minute. All right, now I can get back to my rant about these student loans because it's throwing me off, y'all, and I am not amused by this whatsoever. So I just want to be able to set up my budget and be done with setting up my budget. I was anticipating that student loans would be starting in February. So I'd gone ahead, made my February budget just to make sure that like I would have enough money. And y'all, and then they went ahead and they paused them again. And I'm just like, how am I supposed to be able to actually figure out like what needs to go where and how much money I need to be putting towards certain things? It's just very annoying to me. So I just want them to cancel them so that I can move on with my life. Or just, I don't know, make it so that you can do your student loans with no interest payments even, because like it's the interest payments that's killing us, like even with the student loan costs, because even with the pause they're still earning interest, and then that interest keeps accruing, and then that interest gets capitalized on, and then that gets added to your overall total, which is the only reason why I'm even making payments, is because I don't want my interest to continue to go up. Like it's wild out here, y'all. So I've got some money I need to put away. Let's go ahead and do that. I don't believe, okay, it says pull out. Here's what I'm actually putting away. So let's do that. I don't think I've actually done any of this though, so I might need to come in. If y'all hear something in the background, that's my cat. But let's get the stuff done that needs to get done. Ooh, I have 2 debts now. I have Visa debt or credit card debt, and I have house debt. And I do not have a separate envelope for that, so notes, y'all. This is why I'm always making notes. I don't know what he is playing with. He is having a great time though. Okay, house debt needs to go under this one. All right, let's see what we've got. So we got $30 that needs to go towards credit debt. So 20, and I am definitely gonna need to be making change, y'all, today. Well, here's 30, so we'll put that away. I had 10s, and then I was like, oh, but you know what? I can still take some of those 10s that I had. Where's that one? No, okay, let me keep it. Okay. So we put in the 30. Let's see what our credit debt payment is going to be. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77. $77 total will go towards a credit debt payment. And I want to write this down. Where can I write this down, y'all? So I can keep up with it. I wish I had, I don't know if I have any more of those. One of those like smaller pads. I do have my, I don't want to take it in my notes. Let me grab a piece of paper real quick. The joys of being in, this is one of my other binders that I never show y'all. Ooh, with the colors and all of that and the shopping. I love it. I don't know if I have any paper in here when I think about it. I don't know if that was, yeah, I don't think I do. Let me, again then, what other ones do I have? I have this one. Is there paper in it is the question. There is. Great. Okay. And I'm going to snatch this paper real quick. Okay. Okay. This is why I love being in the art room, because everything is right there. Let me close the door because he is really having himself a great time. He found something to play with and he is having a blast. All right, so now we're here. Okay, so, because I want to write down the totals of what I'm putting in. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 77. So 177 will be going towards debt. Okay, credit, debt. It's gonna be 77. And then, so I'll put that away. I will go deposit this into the bank. And then empty that out so that for next year we have 24 that'll go towards a house payment. 3, 4, so 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24. Not that much, but it's a good start. It's a good something to go there. So house is $24. Then we have for student loans 30. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna grab one. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, yeah, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 30. So, and y'all know we have quite a bit in student loans, so I would probably make some change. Well, don't really have anything to make change of because we have a lot. But this is the one I need to go through and grab any 50s I have because you all know I hate having 50s and make change for any 50s I have. Okay, let's get that total for student loan. Student loan. And that one gets 50. And y'all know I just go in here and fix that. So 50. So that's 100. So that's 100. Okay. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 60, 83. 20, 40, 60, 84. Wait, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 558 total. Oh my gosh. For student loans for 2021. That is so exciting, y'all. I'm so happy. That was a lot of work. That was not anticipated. This is what I love about savings. It's so much fun to see, like, what can you do when you just make the goal and put the money aside. Like, you don't even necessarily have to do anything extra. Like, you can just make the goal and put the money aside. Like, I was not even trying to save a certain amount or to reach a certain goal or anything like that. It was literally just like, okay, I have the money, let me put the money aside and just keep adding to it and keep adding to it and keep adding to it. And that's where we got. We got $558 to put there for the year. Security gets 7. I probably need those ones, y'all. I still have money that needs to be put away from a separate one, so let me figure out what's here, if there's anything here. Long-term combined with investment. $10 make an envelope. Okay. So let me move these to the side. So security savings, I have that envelope, so let's see. So in security savings we have 40, 20, 40, 45, it gets $7, so 5, 6, 7, leaves us with 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 52 for long term. long term, 52. And let me check these off. Emergencies gets 7. Everybody's getting 7, huh? So 5, 6, 7. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 64 for emergencies. And I only have 4? Gross. Let's go ahead and at least trade out one of the 20s. And I know that I'm going to need change. Should have kept that change from house. Maybe. Let me see what house has. Nope, that one only has 4 ones. I need enough ones. Nobody has enough ones that I can actually trade them out. I think school loans does. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, great. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Emergency is done. Car gets 7. So 5, 6, 7. That leaves us with a total of 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 48, 49, 49. Car, 49. And I think I'll do that. Okay. House gets, now this is house emergency, not an additional payment. We already put that one in there. And that gets 7 as well. So had 20, 21, 20, 25, 26, 27. 27 for house. Ooh, I need to pull out my tech envelope. House. So 27. Pull out technology. Tech, business, electricity. I put $20 towards electricity? That's interesting. I must be worried that my electricity bill is going to go up. That's a lot of money to go towards electricity. I don't know why I would even put $20 towards electricity for additional payments. That seems weird, doesn't it? Does that seem weird to y'all? I'm not putting $20 towards electricity. That's madness. What else should I put? What should I put that towards? I'm going to think about that. That just feels strange. This is what? This is technology, and technology gets $8. Ooh, that we don't have $8. Okay. Well, how much do we have in tech? So 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. So 38 plus 8 is going to give us 46. If my math is right. 38 plus 8, yep, 46. So let's just make ourselves have 46. So 20 or 10. You know what? Trade out that 20 for these 10s. Because really. Okay, so 20, 30. Sorry. Okay, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46. Okay. Now we've got that amount we need to tech 46. And then business, which I have sitting right here, gets 8. Perfect. Everything's exactly where it's supposed to be. Okay. Business has 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 goes towards business. That's a nice little bit. I haven't had a lot that goes towards business like that in a while. So check, 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 check. Business, 20. And then 20 for electricity, which I just think is ridiculous. So I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with that. I should put it towards the house. I don't know why. I should put 10 towards electricity and another 10 towards house. That's what I'm going to do. Okay. House plus 10, so equals $34. And electricity gets 10. So 10 for electricity. And I do have this sitting over here. So I'm going to change, instead of electricity being $20, electricity is going to, oh Lord, come on y'all, work with me. Electricity is going to be $30. Okay. All right. And house debt, which is right here, is going to actually get that other 10, making it 34. Alrighty, yay! So the fun thing about this is we have that credit card debt gets $77 paid towards it. House debt gets $34 paid, and we have a $558 payment for student loans. So that's it for, this is probably going to be the last paycheck closeout for the year for 2021, because the next paycheck closeout will be for the end of December. So that money is going to go into January. So this is it. We're done with our closeouts. So now we have new envelopes that need to be made, just many new things that need to happen. So I am very excited about this. And thanks for watching, y'all. I have more videos to come for money things, money goals, personal goals, reading goals, all the fun stuff. So don't go away for too long. I have many videos to watch. I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
You